how quickly should someone be responding to a lead, and what's a good like KPI or goal they can set for themselves for how quickly?
So this is going to sound bananas, but I've looked at this multiple times over the years. There have been multiple acquisitions in the home service space, specifically around speed to lead. But you're going to find that less than 5 minutes for response time has a dramatic effect on conversion.